Sir, what happens? There was no permission for the construction of
Yes,
this
I was
building.
told that there are no permission, illegal activities was been going on. We will take strict action against the owner, the contractor and everyone. In entire Bangalore, I will make up see that we will come out with a decision where all such type of illegal construction are going on. We are going to stop immediately. I will conduct a big survey on this and we will stop all this type, and I will inform the concerned registrars also not to accept any transfer of property, such type of property which there are no plan sanction. So we will have to deal with this with the stricten laws, whatever we have in our hands.
Sir, will any action be taken against your officials? Sir,
Of course,
of
course, with the contractor, my officials, and even the owner of the property, whoever has been done, everyone will be booked under the law.